What is going on, guys, and welcome to the devlog video. And as you can see, I just invested into a new webcam, so I hope you will indulge my face for a bit. And so today I'm quite excited because we finally will see the new character design in the game. But just before that, like I said in the previous video, so I will open again the financing this weekend. So if you have been following the game, you want to try, you want to help the financing of the game, which is quite important because I have some cool idea, and there is some cool alien design that I would very much like to put in the game. So yeah, if you would like to participate and test the game, basically yeah, just follow the link on the website, and thank you very much for doing that. And if you want to wait, obviously, for the full release, it's also perfectly fine. And just put a like and share the game. That will be already very good. So okay, so now that being said, so it's time to show you a bit the new character. So as you can see already, we have a nice alien over here, and so yeah, so I have 2 aliens for now, but like I said, I would like to put more into the game because I think it's really the kind of DNA I want for the game. You know, with very funky alien, like in Star Wars or the Fifth Element and things like that. And also, as you can see, so the body is yeah, so the body on the alien is a bit thin, that one, but we have different body type for the human and the other alien. And also the animation is completely redone, so before they were really crappy, so there's still a lot of work to be done on the animation side, especially the work cycle is a bit too fast and so on, but I will fix that, no problem. So that's really the first the first race, and quite a funny dude, and I still also need to work on the shader side, but that's already not that bad, let's say. So let's check the next one. So the human female, so that's the one I show in the last game. So that's the female, as you can see, with the nice suit and so on. And so for now, the customization is really basic. So also, yeah, I need to work a bit on the foot placement and so on. But yeah, let me show you. So for now, we can only customize the head. Okay, yeah. Okay, I have to do that. So there is a. So yeah, so for now we can only customize the hair, like I just said, but I started actually to work on customization for the face, and we'll be able to do much more. Okay, so we'll be able obviously to change the color and so on, but also you will be able to switch a bit the position of the nose, the mouth, and the size of them, and to customize a bit everything, and select different nose and things like that. So it's going to be much more complex than what we had before. So yeah, it's going to be great. And so that's the female character. And now let's switch to the male one. So okay, so this is this is the guy. So this is the look. So yeah, some people will say it look a bit like anime style and so on, but it's not too much anime, you know, anime with a chibi, a big head or big eyes or thing like that. So it's a bit between yeah, Western and Japanese style, let's say. But I think the style is really unique, and will blend well with the overall art style, and I think that's really what matters. And so let me show you the second haircut. It's a bit more modern, but yeah, so that's really the idea. And yeah, I need to work on several things, like typically maybe to make the eyeball to move, and also to have blinking. I think it's gonna look way more natural like that, but that's really the basic. And first, before I jump into that, I really want now to focus on gameplay. I think it's really much more important, so it will have to wait a bit, but that's really the idea. And so the last one for the road, and yeah, so as you can see, it's really integrating well with the lightning and so on. So I think it's really cool. And the last one for the road, and that's the the big cat. So there it is. So that's yeah, that's the kind of yeah, funny race I really want for the game. So we're gonna have a lot of different stuff, but yeah, I wanted also something a bit more serious and badass and menacing, basically, and that could be a very good enemy faction and dangerous faction. So that's that's the guy, and as you can see, also the body is much bigger than the other one. So that's really that's the idea. So I hope you like that, and don't forget to put a feedback. So a lot of it is very rough, and typically the animation, the stand animation, and so on. I need to tweak everything, but yeah, it's gonna improve in the future. So that's it, guys. Thanks for following the game, and see you in the next one.